Welcome to Lotus Student Mentor channel. In this session, we are going to solve one more problem to understand the Cartesian product of fuzzy sets in fuzzy relation. In previous video, I mentioned I took here A equal to 0.3 by here there are three x1, x2, x3, three membership function in fuzzy set A. Whereas in fuzzy set B, there are only two y1 and y2 membership functions with membership elements with degree of membership functions. Now in this problem, there are three x1, x2, x3 in fuzzy set A and fuzzy set B y1, y2, y3. For such cases, how to find out the Cartesian product? The Cartesian product such term is that here how to mention it, what type of matrix, the dimension of the matrix will come here 3 by 3. How it comes? Consider here x1 and x2, x3 are as a rows, that is x1, x2, x3. What about columns? The columns are y1, y2, y3. The concept of Cartesian product of fuzzy set is that we have to consider the optimum value. What is that optimum means? Minimum value, minimum degree of function in relation to each element of fuzzy set A and fuzzy set B. We have to compare it and substitute here what is the minimum value of the A and B individual element. Now we want the position of x1, y1. What is the x1, y1 here? x1 and y1, x1 element and y1 elements degree, membership value we have to consider. Here what is the degree of membership value? x1 with y1, 0.3 for x1, 0.4 for y1 membership values, degree of membership value. What is that here? 0.3 and 0.4, which is minimum among these two? That is 0.3 is the minimum. That is the x1, y1 is the Cartesian product of the element, that is x1, y1. Now we want x1 and y2. What is x1, y2? Compare this x1 with y2, that is 0.7, which is due to what is the minimum? 0.3 is the minimum, that is 0.3. Next x1 with y3. Yes, x1 with y3, this is the x1 degree value, mu value, and y3 mu value is 0.6. Compare with this. Which one is minimum? 0.3 is the minimum. Next, what is the next step? x2 with y1. Where is x2 here? x2. What is the next one? What is the next? x2 is the degree. Mu value for x2 is 0.8. And with y1, y1 is the 0.4, which is minimum among these two. 0.4 is the minimum. 0.4. That is the product of those two. Degree mu values. Next, x2 with y2. x2 here, this is the y2, which is minimum. 0.7 is the minimum. Next, x2 with y3, that is 0.6. Which one is minimum? 0.6 is the minimum value. That is the x2 y3 element. What is the next one? x3 with y1. What is the x3 with y1? This is x3 and you have to compare with y1. This is x3, x3 is the one, y1 is 0.4, which is minimum, these two, 0.4 is the minimum, 0.4. Next, 1, x3 with y2, this is x3 mu value 1, y2 mu value is 0.7, which is minimum, 0.7 is minimum. x3 mu value is 1 and y3 mu value is 0.6, which is minimum, that is 0.6. Now R is the final Cartesian product. The Cartesian product of these two fuzzy sets x1, x2, x3 elements and fuzzy set B is y1, y2, y3 elements, that is R equal to 0.3, 0.3, 0.3, 0.4, 0.7, 0.6, 0.4, 0.7 and 0.6. These are the Cartesian product for the given two fuzzy sets. I hope you understood the concept of the Cartesian product of fuzzy sets in fuzzy relation. Thank you for watching.